Pedal. Come on.
I can't put that right.
Yes, you can. Come on. Come on, baby.
Okay.
Remember, if you practice pedaling, Santa Claus might bring you a new bicycle for Christmas.
Yay.
Come on. Show him how you can pedal. No, that's not pedaling.
Okay, this pedaling.
Come on.
But I'm pedaling.
Pedal. That's not pedaling. Come on.
This pedaling.
I don't think you can do it. I think you're just playing with me.
I think
I don't think you know how to pedal. I think you're just playing with me.
I know.
Show me. If you can do it, show me how. That's not it.
No.
Show me how to pedal.
I think I can do it.
Well, try. Show me.
Okay.
Come on.
I think I can try this.
Come on.
So
I bet you Noah can pedal. Can you pedal better?
yeah, this Noah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this Noah's bike.
Pedal like Noah.
Okay.
Pedal.
I can get this my marker.
Come on.
It's got flowers.
Alright, well, I'm going to call Santa Claus and let him know you don't know how to pedal. So he won't build you a bike for Christmas.
Here's a cake.
There you go. Come on.
Pedaling. Get this Noah.
Come on.
I can get this Noah.
Alright, come on.
I pedal.
I know you pedal, just like Noah. Come on. There you go. Turn the wheel. Come in here.
I can't move.
You're done?
Get this Noah.
Alright, well, come on. Come on.
I'm moving.
Pedal. Pedal fast. Pedal really fast. That's not it. Do it again.